everyone. When we have log base 2 of 10 equals 1 over a, and log base 3 of 10 equals 1 divided by b, we're going to express log base square root of 48 of cube root of 24 with a and b. All right, there's this formula we can use to rewrite this, because basically what we have here, looking at this, is these are both tens, which is real good to have for common logs, but our bases are different. I also want to get rid of the fractions. So what I can do using this formula right here is rewrite this, and I'm changing this up and flipping the 1 divided by 8. So basically, log base 2 of 10 equals 1 divided by a can be written as log base. We're going to switch the 10 and the 2 and then flip this around. That's what this formula does. And that's going to equal a. Now we have base 10. Plus we don't have a fraction. And let's do the same thing for log base 3 of 10, which equals 1 divided by b. So that can be written as log base 10 of 3 equals b. That's going to be much simpler. The next step I'm going to do is, for this complicated logarithm, I'm going to use change of base. And the reason I want to use the change of base formula is I want to use base 10, because we have a base 10 here. So here's your, where is it? Here's your change of base formula right here. So I'm going to write this as log of cube root of 24. Instead of cube root of 24, I'm going to write this as 24 to the power of 1/3. And then for your base, you can write this as 48 to the power of 1/2. Now, like I said before, we're going to change this to base 10. Oh, this should be log here. So log base 10 and put a 10 there. Whatever base you want to choose, you can use. So there we have that. The next thing I'm going to do is use my power property given here. Move these powers in front. And also simplify this with prime numbers. Okay, so let's do that, because basically we have 2s and 3s here. So I'm going to write 1/3, and then this is going to be times log base 10 of, and now I'm going to break up my 24 as 2 cubed times 3. All right. And then for the denominator, we're going to have 1/2. This is going to be log base 10. And then this is going to be 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. And then times 3. That gives me the 48. All right. Now, I'm going to expand this because we have a multiplication thing here. So we have... if we have 1/3 divided by 1/2 is the same as, when you divide that out, is 2 divided by 3, sorry. You can switch this 2 up here and this 3 down here. So this is going to be 2 divided by 3. So given that, you might want to write this down. I'm going to start a new slide. So I'm going to write this as 2 divided by 3 here. So that's going to give us 2 divided by 3. And then in the numerator, we're going to have, let me just write what we had. We had log base 10 of 2 cubed times 3. And then we had log base 10 of 2 to the power of 4 times 3. So now we're going to use our basic log problems rules here and expand this to write this as a product, and also use this power rule. So this is going to equal 2. Now, for this one, I'm going to move this 3. This is going to be log base 10 of 2 cubed, but instead of put the cube there, put the 3 here. And then plus log base 10 of 3. Okay, for the denominator, we had a 3, and then we're going to have log base 10 of 2 to the power 4, but instead of putting the 4 here, put it in front using your power property. And then plus log base 10 of 3. All right, and before, I'm going to write this again. We had log base 10 of 2 equals a, and we had log base 10 of 3 equals b. So using substitution, this is going to give me 2 times 3a plus b divided by 3 times 4a plus b. And this is a good way to leave your problem just like that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.